Join me as I take on the challenge of mixing turmeric and honey every single day for a month. Let's see what happens. In this video, you'll learn about the incredible benefits of mixing turmeric and honey, two natural ingredients celebrated for their health properties. Many people struggle with finding effective natural remedies for inflammation, immunity, and overall wellness. The pursuit of a healthy lifestyle can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to navigating the vast world of supplements and remedies. That's why it's essential to focus on the most powerful and natural ingredients that can make a real difference. Turmeric and honey are two such ingredients that have been used for centuries to promote health and wellness. When combined, they create a potent mixture that can have a profound impact on our bodies. By incorporating this mixture into our daily routine, we can experience a range of benefits that can transform our lives. One of the primary reasons people turn to natural remedies is to alleviate inflammation, which is the root cause of many modern diseases. Turmeric and honey have both been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory properties, making them an ideal combination for those seeking to reduce inflammation in their bodies. Turmeric, in particular, has been celebrated for its curcumin content, a powerful compound that has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve cognitive function. Honey, on the other hand, is renowned for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it an excellent natural preservative. When we combine these two ingredients, we create a powerful synergy that can have a profound impact on our overall health. By harnessing the benefits of turmeric and honey, we can experience improved energy levels, enhanced immune function, and even reduce our risk of chronic diseases. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a range of ailments, from arthritis to digestive issues. Honey, likewise, has been used to soothe sore throats, calm coughs, and even promote wound healing. By combining these two ingredients, we can tap into their collective benefits and experience a profound transformation in our health and well-being. The key to unlocking the full potential of turmeric and honey lies in understanding how they work together to promote health and wellness. When we combine these two ingredients, we create a powerful synergy that can have a profound impact on our bodies. Turmeric's curcumin content is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce joint pain, improve cognitive function, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Honey, on the other hand, is an excellent natural preservative that can help soothe digestive issues, promote wound healing, and even support immune function. When we combine these two ingredients, we create a powerful mixture that can have a profound impact on our overall health. The antioxidants present in turmeric can help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall wellness. Honey's antibacterial and antifungal properties can help soothe digestive issues, promote wound healing, and even support immune function. One of the most surprising benefits of consuming turmeric and honey daily is the potential improvement in digestion. The curcumin content in turmeric can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural prebiotic that can help feed good bacteria, promoting a healthy gut-brain axis. When we combine these two ingredients, we can experience improved digestion, reduced bloating, and even enhanced nutrient absorption. Turmeric and honey can also have a profound impact on skin health, reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy glow. The antioxidants present in turmeric can help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall wellness. Honey's antibacterial and antifungal properties can help soothe acne, reduce inflammation, and even promote wound healing. The benefits of consuming turmeric and honey daily don't stop there. This powerful mixture can also have a profound impact on immune function, reducing the risk of illness and disease. Turmeric's curcumin content can help stimulate the immune system, promoting a healthy response to infection. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural antimicrobial agent that can help reduce the risk of illness and disease. When we combine these two ingredients, we create a powerful synergy that can help boost immune function, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating turmeric and honey into our daily routine, we can experience a range of benefits that can transform our lives. From improved digestion and skin health to enhanced immune function and reduced inflammation, this powerful mixture has the potential to revolutionize our approach to health and wellness. Recap the key benefits discussed and emphasize the importance of incorporating this powerful mixture into your daily routine for optimal health. By harnessing the benefits of turmeric and honey, we can experience a profound transformation in our health and well-being. From improved digestion and skin health to enhanced immune function and reduced inflammation, this powerful mixture has the potential to revolutionize our approach to health and wellness. So why not give it a try? Incorporate turmeric and honey into your daily routine and experience the benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on natural health remedies in the comments below.